First off, I just want to mention that I have been working on this Mother's Day gift for now 6+ hours. This is what I have made for all the mothers in my life. So these are fake paper flowers. Comes in this little cone, and then I also Cricut cut their names right there for the little tag. It was originally supposed to be a tulip, and then I don't know, I just didn't like how the petals look, so it's just a flower of some kind. Yesterday I was able to make 4 bouquets. Look at how cute they are. It looks so cute on camera. I didn't film yesterday because I was trying to figure out how to make it look cute and make it work. But today I have a bunch more, probably 1, 2, 3, 4 bouquets to make. So I am bringing the vlog camera out today. It's very easy to make these. The template is online. I just use copy paper. So this is like very, very thin paper. Look at that. It's just copy paper that I had lying around, construction paper for the leaves. The sticks are just like regular sticks that you use for like flint gnome skewers. So I stole that from the kitchen. And then those are wrapped in these floral, I don't know what this is called, let me see. Floral tape. It's wrapped in this floral tape. I colored them with pastels that I had lying around. This is pastel chalks. And then for the cone, this is just craft paper, and this is string, and then construction paper as well for the name. And I used the Cricut to make all of it. So a cute little bouquet for all the moms. Let us get started. Look how cute my mom's turned out. It's so cute. And then let me show you what a normal one looks like. So here's like a little bouquet, and then this is my mom's. I'm gonna add my mommy tag now onto the bouquet. It's pretty easy to make these. I just found a font that all the letters are connected, and then I just added a little circle, if you can see right there. Let me make sure it's focused. I added a little circle so that I can put it through the string, and then it'd be fairly easy to just attach. Oh, so cute. I love it. And then on the back, if the string falls, just add a little glue dot, and then that will stay. They turned out so good. I have so many more. I will show you all of them, but my camera is dying. So this is how they turned out, and I hope all the moms like them for Mother's Day. We are taking a quick lunch break right now. I've been watching a bunch of TikToks on how to make a creamy udon noodle, and I think it turned out pretty good. Look at this. Look how amazing this looks. So this is just Japanese udon noodles. I put some milk, heavy cream. There's bacon bits in here, some onions. These are Korean sausages. A lot of different spices in here, and some cheese. It looks so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test. My mouth is watering. That's pretty good. I think I could have made it a little bit more cheesy. Angelina's coming down to taste test. Okay. I think it could be my Susie.
Oh, hi. Shy, shy, shy. Oh, you put sausages in here? Wait, what did you say? Can you more cheesy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it doesn't even look like one up.
Even though the noodle recipe doesn't require cheese, it feels like I could make it cheesy.
It looks like, what's it called?
Maybe some kimchi and a little bit spicier.
It's spicy already.
Is it spicy?
It has a kick.
Oh, they. I think it's pretty good.
Anything with heavy cream is gonna be good.
I can get better. Good morning. It is officially Mother's Day. I look like a mess. I just woke up. I'm going to give my mom her Mother's Day flowers now and get her reaction. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Thank you.
I made it. Smell them. They will last forever. And it says mommy. Do you like it?
Yeah, that's milk.
Thanks. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, thank you.
Where's mine, Leon? Huh? Where's mine? Huh? Where's mine?
Oh, that's cool. Thanks, my sister. You're welcome. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. It's for me? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're welcome.
That's wonderful.
She's returning all the things her child threw up on.
It's forever flowers.
Yeah.
It's like his mother would wear.
Happy Mother's Day. Dinner time, and we're going to Seaside Buffet. My mom has said it's been a long time since she's eaten a buffet, so here we are. Let's go. Today's eating partner is Christine.
High five.
Gigi has a huge plate of French fries. We're gonna do a taste test. May I have some ketchup?
Yes, they're fresh. Everybody needs
just one. It's good.
Wow, that's a noodle.
Did you order it? My go-to is chow mein noodles, beef and broccoli, and orange chicken. I always get that every time I go to buffet. This time I also got a steak. Oh. I got some sushi to try real quick. I just want to see if this is good. If it's good. The raw stuff. Is it good, yeah?
Seven belly.
It's actually good? Oh, look at it. It's actually pretty good. I don't know what kind of fish this one is. Looks stiff.
Does anybody want some? We can share here, just in case somebody else.
We don't like that one. And then tuna. No one's going outside. Salmon's the best. Can I have the Rocky Road? Thrifties!
Can I have the Rocky Road?
Blue and cheese.
Can I do a Neuber?
John's gonna try Rocky Road on camera.
I have something.
Bon appetit!
Flying shiny Pokemon.
Green tea's not bad.
Pretty good.
Neuburn. Coconut pineapple.
You know, we clowned Tiwa's cousin for getting their kid's diaper. We're guilty of that too. So don't laugh at us.
It was yolk that had a lot of it. Got everything. This is my ice cream to go. Do I have to cover it? Leon has a vanilla ice cream to go. And then John. What are you doing over here, John? This is motherhood right here. This is motherhood right here. This is motherhood. What's in there, John? Science. John, what's in there? Computer science. Her son's thing. Are you full of tea? Carry it out. We also got ice cream. Ice cream. Look at this Chugo ice cream that Angela has. Titi has mint chocolate. And Leon got another scoop. Real quick. These animals are gonna poop. My ice cream is also about to melt as well.
Bye, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Jump off the gate.
Come on, let's go to the car. Let's go to the car.
Oh, yeah, we don't get to play it.
Come on, I drop you off at the car.
Where does your mom live? Where does your mom live?
At home with me.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Bye. 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 Mom, happy Mother's Day. Oh, thank you.